Okay, you guys need to go home now. We're going to be shooting guns. It's going to be loud and you won't like it. Hey guys, welcome back to Ruination Range. So I've got some big stuff planned for today. Big explosions, that is. In the last video I did, I blew up a balloon in a little bit of an unordinary fashion. And today, I'm going to be doing pretty much the same thing, only bigger. I currently have 4 12-inch balloons filled up with an oxygen and acetylene mixture. Last time I had them filled up with hydrogen and oxygen. So this time, could be different, I don't know. Let's find out. Think that'll do it? No. That's good. Ah, my lighter's still on. Go. Yeah, it's just going out. Let's try a new piece. Do it.
That sucks. It's not your fault. Take two. How many tries did it take you the first time?
The very first one, funny story. But for the big balloon, 3 shots, so 3rd time's charm. I could probably just burnt your phone. That was the one! It's still burning!
It's still burning.
Oh, take 2! It's burning good. Holy cow! Oh, that was awesome.
I don't know if this one got that one or not.
Did you feel that? Woo! God, that's awesome. Look at all the leaves. There are no leaves anymore. Alright, that was ridiculous. The shockwave was a whole lot bigger than just the single giant balloon we did in the last video. Wait a second. Single giant balloon from the last video. I have 4 more of those. Let's go fill them up. It's safe, I think.
Sponsored by
Nobody.
nobody.
Audible.com. Like everybody else on YouTube.
Yeah.
Not really. Not yet. Hey, Audible. I don't think they sponsor Nobody's. We're Nobody right now.
Nah, they sponsor everybody.
It smells like
Acetylene?
acetylene. Apparently it smells like garlic. I don't smell garlic yet.
Smells like garlic. That's a new
The
one.
name of the video.
Smells like garlic? Question mark? Oh, man.
If you smell garlic, right.
Should be a thumbnail right here. Just you tying a balloon.
Could be.
Like, huh? What's that have to do with shooting?
Nothing.
Nothing at all.
We're gonna go shoot it. And this is how you transport oxy-acetylene balloons to be blown up. Don't do this at home.
Yeah.
Okay. Each of these 4 balloons is about 2 feet in diameter, so about 4.2 cubic feet a piece, and there's 4 of them, so roughly 17 cubic feet. And we're going to be shooting a rifle through this iron target, which will shoot off some sparks into the balloons, causing them to ignite. Let's check it out. Okay, so we're 100 yards away. We're not too sure what these 4 giant balloons are going to do, how big it's going to be, but we're about to find out. You ready?
Yep.
All right, here we go. was terrible.
It was pretty terrible.
That was terrible. There's still one or two back there.
Is it really?
Yeah. Well, let's go look at it. What happened? There's something on fire.
You say something's on fire?
Yeah. Probably the latex. Or your phone.
No. Phone wasn't that close.
Yeah, they all blew up. Get a video of that. So the 12-inch balloons exploded no problem, a huge fireball, and you could feel the shockwave really easily. The giant balloons, pretty lame. I'm assuming I just didn't have enough acetylene in the mixture with that and oxygen, so have to do a little bit more trial and error, and next time, hopefully we'll get a real big boom. Alright guys, thanks for watching Ruination Range. If you like what you saw, go ahead and like and subscribe to see more videos similar to this.
Is that a mouse over there?
I think it is. Earplugs.
You ever get them?
Yeah. As soon as I shot, I was like, can't stop now.